What's up, guys? My name is McAndrew. This is my third internship here with CI on land development, going into my senior year at Clemson University studying construction science and management.
My name is Noah Ellis. I'm an intern 3 here at CI on land development. I'm going into my senior year at Clemson University. I'm a forest resource management major and a land surveying minor. So my first summer I came in as a land surveying intern as required by our Clemson University minor in land surveying, and then second summer came back and did the same thing, and now third summer me and McAndrew are on our own now, and I'm looking forward to just building my knowledge in all the different aspects of surveying.
Going into Clemson, I knew that I wanted to be somewhere around the construction development field. The past 3 years at Clemson, I've really learned a lot. It's really brought my understanding of what's expected and how jobs develop from start to finish.
I enjoy surveying so much, just every day you get to see something new. We start our days off at the shop, filling up the trucks, loading up stakes and things like that. We go out to different job sites each and every day. We get to see each job progress. So some of our day-to-day things is, we could go out and stake sewer, water service, manholes. We can do as-builts and storm drain boxes. Just get to see all different sites, topo pads, topo new job sites, get to put in silk fence stakes, all different kinds of things that surveying, requires in a land development company.
One of my favorite things about the company is the company culture. You just get the feeling that everybody cares about you from the top down. It's a good feeling showing up as an intern, having a warm welcome and people that are ready to teach you and cultivate the next generation.